Shiv Kumar is also said to be firm on his demand for the Chief Minister's post. No conclusion has emerged from today's meeting, is what we are learning. Anand, DK Shiv Kumar, when Congress took over Karnataka, was told that there will be a 2.5 year, change from one CM to the other. Is DK Shiv Kumar just following up on what was promised to him?
Yeah, Vinit, look, if we especially talk about this 2.5 year formula, then we have heard from DK Shiv Kumar only whatever discussion happened between him and the leadership remains between the three leaders. So clearly he has not indicated where it was 2.5 year formula, but we have seen that how several of his faction leaders, they have been saying that he was offered the CM post after 2.5 years, but the party has not yet commented. The party is yet to give that indication when he will be going to take the chief ministerial post, when this power change is going to happen, when this change of guard is going to happen in Karnataka. But in today's meeting, it has been, the sources have indicated that a status quo has been maintained in Karnataka and that the wait for DK Shiv Kumar is going to stay for longer. But some of the senior leaders are yet to come and we are going to speak with them, so we will come to know that what all discussion happened, what all transpired in the 6-hour long marathon meeting that took place with the Congress leadership, including party chief Mallikarjun Kharge, including leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, GSO KC Venugopal, as well as General Secretary and in charge for Karnataka Randeep Singh Surjewala. So all these things will become clear once some leaders open up that what all happened inside the meeting room at Indira Bhavan when Rahul Gandhi, Kharge, they all had a detailed chat with Siddaramaiah over there. Back to you.